I just found the easiest viral niche for quickly gaining popularity on YouTube Shorts. Check out this YouTube channel that has amassed over 528,000 subscribers with just 367 videos. Their channel has garnered over 300 million views, averaging over 1 million views per video, indicating significant earnings from creating simple travel shorts. Let's check a sample video. As you can see, travel videos are booming on YouTube, making this niche a great opportunity to explore right now. These videos are easy to create using Capcut, and I'll walk you through the process shortly. Stick around to the end to learn how. Before we get started, let's address a common question: can AI-generated shorts be monetized? Yes, as long as your videos are original, valuable, not repetitive, and utilize non-copyrighted materials, they can be monetized. Let's begin by topic ideas for this niche. Start by checking a few reference channels within your niche to see which topics are currently trending. Visit a reference channel and sort their shorts by popularity to understand current trends. For example, themes like social media versus reality, or places you need to visit before they're popular, perform well. These videos are often just 10 to 15 seconds long, featuring 3 to 5 places per video. Now, choose a topic from this channel. Like, we will create a video about the 3 best summer destinations. Now script. Write a prompt similar to this one. You can write the prompt in your own style. Mention whether the script will be 20 or 30 seconds long. You can specify which places the script should cover. I am not specifying them here. ChatGPT will provide descriptions of 3 beautiful places in its own way. So, this will be our script. Now, it's time for the voiceover. You can use your own voice for the voiceover, or you can hire someone from Upwork or Fiverr. If neither option is possible, you can generate a voice using an AI voice generator like Elevenlabs. I will generate the voice for this script using Elevenlabs. First, input your script in this box. Then choose a voice artist from this list. Once you have chosen a voice, click Generate. After it's complete, download the voice file. Now, on to video editing. For video editing, I will use Capcut. It is a completely free editing tool. They offer different versions for both mobile and PC. Just download and install it. Now, you can create this type of video using both images and videos. For images or videos, you can use free websites like Pexels or Pixabay, or you can collect them from paid stock websites. Alternatively, you can just take images of the places from Google to create the video. In that case, copyright issues may arise. Don't worry, since you will be adding voiceover to the images, giving them motion, adding text on the images, and using background music, it will become a unique work. So, you can use images without logos from Google to create this video. And if you want to create videos similar to those on this channel only using video, you can collect related videos from Pexels, Pixabay, or paid stock websites. Or you can take videos from YouTube and use them in your video. Download 2-3 videos for each related place. Then, add a 2-3 second clip from each video in your video in line with the voiceover. This falls under fair use policy since you are using the clips to create something entirely different. I have already downloaded some footage from YouTube and free websites. I will first import them into Capcut. Now drag the voiceover file over the timeline. Change the video format to 9:16. Now drag all the videos one by one over the timeline. Match the video with the voice. Use 3 to 4 seconds clip of each video. Listen the audio and adjust the clips. After completing that, you can use text. From text option, select one text format. Place it at the right place. Change the words with our destination names. You can change the font size, font type, color, everything. After that, place it at the top. Now do it for the rest 2 places. Now add a background music. I downloaded it from the YouTube audio library. Minimize the sound level. So your video is ready. Now export the video. This is too simple. You just check the trend. Choose the right topic and make your video. Consistency is the key here. If you like this video, subscribe my channel please.